Have you seen those stunning shaved salads all over your social media feeds? Well, today we're making one of the most beautiful and delicious ones out there, the spicy carrot ribbon salad. It's been nicknamed the Glow Salad, and you're about to see why. It's crunchy, it's spicy, it's incredibly fresh, and the best part, it takes less than 5 minutes to make. Seriously, this is the perfect healthy snack, a gorgeous side dish, or even a light lunch. Let's get glowing. First, let's gather our super simple ingredients. You'll need 3 large carrots. That's it for the base. For our incredibly flavorful dressing, we're using 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and the star of the show, 1 tablespoon of chili crisp. I'm using Lao Gan Ma, but feel free to use your favorite brand. If you also need 1 green onion, thinly sliced, and some toasted sesame seeds for garnish. All right, let's talk about the technique. This is what makes the salad so special. Grab your carrots and a Y peeler. This is the key tool. You're going to peel the carrots into long, thin, beautiful ribbons. Just apply a bit of pressure and pull the peeler down the length of the carrot. You want these ribbons to be almost translucent. They look like beautiful orange pasta, don't they? Keep going until you have a big, beautiful pile of carrot ribbons. It's so satisfying to watch them pile up. Now for that amazing dressing. This couldn't be easier. In a large bowl, the same one you'll serve from, combine the soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and that wonderful chili crisp. Look at all the delicious crunchy bits in there. Whisk it all together until it's nicely combined and emulsified. You'll see the oil and vinegar come together to create a smooth, glossy dressing. The smell is already incredible, that nutty sesame, the tangy vinegar, and the spicy kick from the chili crisp. It's time to bring everything together. Add your gorgeous carrot ribbons right into the bowl with the dressing. Don't forget to toss in the sliced green onions. 2, add a fresh, subtle oniony bite that cuts through the richness of the dressing. Now, here's a pro tip. Toss this gently with your hands. Using tongs or spoons can break these delicate ribbons, and we want to keep them long and intact. Just lift and fold the ribbons through the dressing until every single strand is coated in that spicy, savory goodness. The final step is the hardest part, waiting. Just let the salad sit for about 2 minutes. This is the magic moment where the carrots soften just slightly, absorbing all that incredible flavor from the dressing while still keeping their signature crunch. They become tender crisp, the perfect texture. Don't let it sit for too long or they'll lose their bite. 2 minutes is the sweet spot, and there you have it. Look at this vibrant, glowing bowl of deliciousness. To finish, we'll sprinkle a generous amount of toasted sesame seeds over the top. They add another layer of nutty flavor and a fantastic texture. It's ready to serve. Let's give it a taste. Wow. The crunch is so satisfying. You get the sweetness from the carrots, the salty and savory notes from the dressing, and then that slow, warming heat from the chili crisp. It's an explosion of flavor and texture in every single bite. This spicy carrot ribbon salad truly is the ultimate glow-up for your regular old vegetables. It's low-calorie, packed with flavor, and ridiculously easy to make. It proves that healthy eating can be exciting and anything but boring. You have to try this. It's going to be your new go-to recipe for a quick and impressive dish. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and delicious ideas. See you next time.